Today I'm going to tell you about gramfree, and here is a index board, and we have to complete four tasks. Number one is rolling, number two is invite. Here is rolling. This part is belongs there. Go to free. When we roll, we spin here, and we get the queen. We get the grant. And here is invite. We have to invite our friends. And here is smart contract. If you click there, and we get some task, and we have to fulfill their task. And nearby watched videos, we have to watch video. There is a 5 video which is given by the at 5 o'clock on a day, at 5 o'clock morning am on a day, and we have to fulfill, and we have to watch their 5 videos. And here is first step, and the first step is earning second, third, and fourth. The fourth every step. And here is another thing, the lottery tickets. We have to buy even also we can buy our lottery tickets from here. And this is a shortest introduction and information about the gram free. Okay, thank you, bye.